Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2821 indicates an issue with the line pressure solenoid valve A within the transmission system of the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This diagnostic trouble code is triggered when the transmission control module, TCM, detects that the line pressure solenoid valve is stuck in the on position. The line pressure solenoid valve plays a vital role in regulating the hydraulic pressure within the transmission, which is essential for engaging the gears smoothly. A malfunctioning valve can restrict engine torque, causing the vehicle to enter a fail-safe mode, which limits overall performance to prevent damage. Understanding the implications of this code is important for maintaining vehicle performance and safety. When you encounter this DTC, careful troubleshooting is crucial to diagnose the underlying issues accurately and effectively. The line pressure solenoid valve A is an integral component of the Honda Pilot's automatic transmission system, responsible for regulating the hydraulic pressure necessary for gear engagement. Located within the transmission assembly, this solenoid valve directly influences the overall functionality of the transmission by controlling fluid flow based on the vehicle's driving conditions. When the solenoid is functioning correctly, it allows for smooth shifts and optimal power transfer from the engine to the wheels. If it sticks in the on position, it creates excessive pressure, leading to transmission complications, and can cause torque restrictions due to the fail-safe programming in the powertrain control module, PCM. Recognizing its role helps in understanding the implications of this fault code and the critical nature of this valve for safe vehicle operation. When diagnosing DTC P2821, several potential causes come into play. Firstly, the presence of metal debris in the transmission can indicate wear and tear, potentially compromising the solenoid valve's functioning. Additionally, a low automatic transmission fluid ATF level may lead to inadequate hydraulic pressure, affecting the transmission's overall performance and the solenoid's operation. A faulty line pressure solenoid valve itself can also be the root cause, hampering its ability to regulate pressure appropriately and leading to a stuck condition. Each of these possibilities must be considered during the diagnostic process to ensure a comprehensive examination and accurate resolution of the faults. Understanding these causes lays the groundwork for effective troubleshooting. Common symptoms associated with DTC P2821 include engine torque restriction, which limits the vehicle's ability to accelerate effectively. Symptoms such as poor shifting performance or slipping can also manifest due to improper hydraulic pressure caused by the malfunctioning line pressure solenoid valve. Drivers may notice that the vehicle fails to shift gears smoothly, causing a jerking motion or hesitations during acceleration. Additionally, illuminated warning lights on the dashboard, such as the check engine light, may also be present. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for promptly addressing the issue and preventing further damage to the transmission system. Timely identification can aid in ensuring that the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P2821 requires checking the automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Begin by warming up the engine until it reaches its normal operating temperature, which is signified by the radiator fan engaging. Following this, inspect the ATF level to ensure it is filled to the manufacturer's specified level, as low fluid can lead to inadequate hydraulic pressure. It's also important to check for any visible fluid leaks during this process, as leaks may indicate a more extensive problem that could contribute to the solenoid valve's malfunction. If any metal debris or excessive clutch material is found in the strainer during the ATF drain, it signifies potential transmission wear, which necessitates replacing the transmission altogether. Completing this step thoroughly is crucial for advancing onto more specific diagnostics. After completing the ATF check, the next step is to verify the problem by properly setting up the vehicle for diagnostics. Start by securely raising the vehicle on a lift, allowing all four wheels to rotate freely. Once secured, turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the stored DTC. This reset is crucial for accurately monitoring the system's response during subsequent testing. Following the reset, start the engine and apply the brake before shifting to D and releasing the brake pedal. With the accelerator pedal, monitor the accelerator pedal position, APP, sensor percentage through the HDS, while simultaneously checking the line pressure solenoid valve A and line pressure switch signals to determine their operational status. This critical step allows for a comprehensive assessment of the system and the identification of any intermittent failures. Upon completing the necessary repairs for DTC P2821, a thorough final repair verification process is needed. This verification includes confirming that all repairs have been properly executed according to the specifications outlined in the diagnostic procedures. It is essential to take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions to ensure the transmission operates smoothly without any issues related to shifting or torque. During the test drive, closely monitor for the return of any error codes using the HDS or the check engine light dashboard indicator. This process ensures that the issue has been fully resolved and that the vehicle is performing optimally. The successful verification step not only promotes driver safety, but also ensures long-term reliability of the transmission system. Preventive maintenance is crucial in ensuring the optimal performance of the transmission and preventing issues like DTC P2821 from arising in the future. Regularly scheduled automatic transmission fluid, ATF changes should be performed, following the manufacturer's recommendation. Proper fluid maintenance not only promotes smooth operation, but also extends the life of critical components, including solenoid valves. Additionally, ongoing monitoring of the solenoid valve's performance is essential to catch any early signs of malfunction before they escalate into significant problems. Routine inspections for fluid leaks can uncover issues that, if left unaddressed, could lead to more severe transmission failures. Adopting a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance can drastically improve reliability and performance while reducing long-term repair costs. In conclusion, understanding DTC P2821 is essential for maintaining the functionality and safety of the Honda Pilot's transmission system. Each component, particularly the line pressure solenoid valve A, is vital for smooth transmission operation. Conducting thorough diagnostics and understanding potential causes can lead to effective repairs, while recognizing symptoms ensures timely intervention. Moreover, prioritizing preventive maintenance will not only extend the life of the transmission components, but also enhance the vehicle's overall performance and reliability. By adhering to these key points, drivers can safeguard against the occurrence of such DTCs and ensure a seamless driving experience. Regular maintenance and an attentive approach to any warning signs can aid in maintaining the vehicle's health and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.